friends, now we will find out equation of projectile motion. Now at origin projectile has initial velocity u. It has two types of component, ux along the horizontal direction which is u cos theta and uy along the y direction which is u sin theta. Now suppose this projectile reaches at point P and it has velocity, final velocity v. Velocity component along x direction or horizontal direction is vx. Vx remains equal to ux, which is also equal to u cos theta. And another component of velocity is vy. And this angle, suppose this angle is alpha. So velocity at point P has two components, Vx and Vy. Vx has the same value, that is equal to u cos theta, and Vy has value uyt minus Vy has value uy minus gt. So at point at point O, velocity is u is equal to uxik plus uyjk. It has two components. At point P, velocity is v, which is equal to vxik plus vyjk, and vx is equal to ux, that is u cos theta, equation number 1, and vy is equal to uy minus gt. This equation is obtained from the equation vy is equal to uy plus ayt, but we know that ay is equal to minus g. Ay is component of acceleration along y direction. This is minus g. So vy is uy. Uy is u sin theta minus g into t. This is the velocity component at point P along the y direction. This is equation number 2. These are the components of velocity along x axis and y axis.
These are physics activities.
क्या भाई रोक दिया क्या?
नहीं. These are physics activities.
At point P, x is equal to ux t plus 1 by 2 ax t square. At point P, value of x coordinate will be equal to ux t plus 1 by 2 ax t square. Since ux is equal to u cos theta and ax is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to u cos theta into t. From here t will be equal to x upon u cos theta. This is equation number 3.
These are physics activities important for you.
Now y coordinate is uy into t plus 1 by 2 ayt square. This is the velocity of displacement along y direction. Putting values of uy, that is u sin theta, into t. Value of t will be taken from equation 3. This is x upon u cos theta plus 1 by 2 and ay is equal to minus g. So this is minus g and value of t is, this is t square, so x square upon u square cos square theta. We are going to find out its equation. So y is equal to, you can see that u is cancelled by u, sin theta upon cos theta, that is tan theta. So tan theta into x minus 1 by 2 g. Or you can write it g by 2 u square cos square theta into x square. This is the equation of projectile. This is the equation of projectile. What is this? Equation of projectile. This is y is equal to tan theta x minus g upon 2u square cos square theta into x square. This equation represents equation of projectile, which is parabolic equation. This is the equation of parabola. Now we want to find out time of flight. We want to find out time of flight. So if we consider highest point x, so at this point velocity component along y direction will be 0. We are going to find out time of flight. Time of flight means time taken from O to O dash. When object travel from O to O dash, O and O dash are on the same horizontal level. So time taken by object to reach from O to O dash is known as time of flight. Time of flight will be twice of the time taken by object from O to highest point. ऑब्जेक्ट O से हाईएस्ट पॉइंट पे पहुंचेगा, जितना टाइम उसको लगेगा उसका डबल टाइम ऑफ फ्लाइट होगा. सो एट पॉइंट H, Vy is 0, but Vy, its value is Vy, formula of Vy is Uy minus G into T. This is time to reach at maximum point, maximum height. So 0 is equal to Uy. Uy is U sin theta minus gt. T will be U sin theta upon g. This is the time taken by projectile to reach at the highest point. This is Tm. Time to reach at highest point. And what will be time of flight? Time of flight will be twice of the time to reach at the highest point. So time of flight T is twice of Tm, that is 2 U sin theta upon g, that is 2U sin theta upon g. This is the time of flight.